Hi, today we're going to learn about how to boot that if you got any error message. When you get the error message, this kind of what we can do for that avoiding and how to resolve this problem. Okay. Uh, so many people are doing for like this. So they are using like the refuse to boot the pen drive and they are using like. So when you boot in the pen drive, you have to check. Okay, is in like the MPRO, MBRO or the GPDR. When you so these kind of error message when you getting like this, so you have to change like the you can see that partitions. Okay, the partitions is MBR. Okay, you need to change GPDR to MBR. So otherwise you need to change the system target. Otherwise you need to refuse like everything. You have to change like and you have to do for it. So in this case I'm going to do for like I have to change like the GP2R to MBR. So I will show this demo. Okay, this is our server, so you can see that the right now we have to enter the like just enter when you convert like the GPTR to MBR just for right. Well, let's see these things how we can do that. You will see the change like MPR, GPTR to MPR. You have to bootable. Okay, we have to boot that and everything is done for that. After that, you have to plug the USB and wait for a while. Okay. You don't want to click anything. Okay, just wait for it. The installation is going on that. Okay. So same things we are waiting. So boot is going on. Yeah, now this boot has been taken out. So let's see. So it's loading the file. So it started to install the Windows Server 2012 R2. So guys, you know the usual process. You have to click next. Okay. So just click installations. It's a normal process. So we here you can see that we have like server core installation, server core installation store, GU, these things. So you can select anything. So we will explain what are the things, these things. Okay. So here guys, we have the two types, the standard evolutions and the data center. So you can see when you click the standard, you can see the option useful when the GU get former. Example, the prior the backend computer, you can see the Windows installation. Same thing, but nothing different for that both these things. So I'm going to select for it's a data center. So okay, just next select. Okay. So you have to read your term and condition if you want. We already read that, so we know about the term and conditions. Just click that. You have to click the custom installs. So because we already elected like this, so we need to create the new the partitions because we already have the 273. Okay. So in case we have like the two type of categorize. So almost you know already. Okay, so we have to divide like these things. Okay, I have nothing changed, like just things I'm going to apply for this. I'm clicking OK, and after that it's creating like the system file and everything. So you can see the 350 files, the system reserve files, and the balance 273 should be the partitions. Just click the format again Okay, because sometimes you have an issue with like the file has been incorporated, so it's automatically remove on that files. So here just click the format until wait for the minute. Okay, we have to wait for that. Okay, let me see on the wait. Until wait, if you have any questions, you can ask for me that on that chat box as well. I think up now, hope you guys you understand that how to install the data centers and everything. Okay, it's installed. Just click next. Okay, so it is starting the installation. See that the getting like the files is ready installations. Okay, next we have to go like we want to skip like this in the minute because the installation is going on that. Okay, we're gonna skip that video. Okay, so it's installation started. So once installed, we will let's see how the performance is going. Okay, once after installation is done, so it's the automatic is getting the restart and they starting getting the device ready. Okay, so guys, the PC is ready to start. So getting ready again. Let me see wait. So they are starting getting the is rolling on that. Let me wait for a minute and let's see how it is starting again. Okay, so guys, okay, the piece getting start. Yeah, again the piece is getting a start. And still we haven't set like any the IP unknown and everything, so we will show up like how to full configurations the next video on that. So let for now how we install that the boot devices and everything. Okay, now we need to set the admin password right now. So they are asking me to see password. Okay, so the business is starting out right now. So here you need to enter your the admin user and password. So for here I'm skipping this one. Okay, so here once you enter the your password, just click the finish off. Okay, so the finalizing your settings is starting right now. So see is the PC has ready to start. Okay, so let me okay on that. Control and Alt and delete. When you click this is asking the username and password. Okay, so here these username and password we have to type. Okay, I'm going to type in my passwords. And enter. Once you enter like this, as will be waiting the preparedness is ongoing on that. Like let me see. So see is everything has been perfectly is on operating on that. So okay. let me wait to start like sure. Everything has is perfectly start like the admin and everything. So okay, see this has been installed right now, everything. So next video I will show like how to install the Active Directory, how to map it on that, how to connect our firewall to this PC and everything. Okay, thank you so much guys. If you have any questions, please let me know on that chat box and everything. So we are ready to help you on time. Thank you so much.